Hey, have you ever gotten one of these right here? Yeah, let's be honest, most times these bad boys end up in the cylindrical file, never to see the light of day again. But what if I told you this might be one of the most powerful lead generating opportunities now that you can automate with an app? Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, most business cards never see the light of day, but we all go to events like Inbound or Content Marketing World or even to trade shows, and we end up with a pocket full of cards, and we think to ourselves, I should really do something with these, I should filter through them, but as we empty our bag when we get home, most of them we end up doing nothing with. However, what if you could do something with them quickly? What if you could use those lead generating opportunities? Well, now you can, because HubSpot inside their app has a business card scanner. That's right. So you might be wondering, George, how does that work? It sounds amazing. Well, you're going to head over to your iOS or Android app and click on the Contacts tab. Don't worry, I'm about to show you how to do that in a hot second. From there, you're going to create a contact, select the option to scan a business card, and boom, you're ready to go. It's that simple. The scanner will pick out the first name, the last name, the email address. Now, it'll also do phone number, but I have to be honest with you, you may have to do a little bit of manual editing depending on the card layout. Sometimes this works great, sometimes it doesn't work so great, but it definitely saves you time no matter what. Once that contact is created, you get all the power of HubSpot behind it: automatic contact to company association, the ability to send tracked follow-up emails, calling, tasks, and so much more. So head over, no matter if you're iOS or Android, get the app, check out the scanner, and start to go ahead and use these as lead generating opportunities. Let's dive into the app and show you exactly how it works. Here you can see I have the HubSpot app. I'm going to launch it. Once it launches, we're going to have to sign in, so we will click sign in. If you have a Gmail account, you can use sign in with Google. For this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and just type in my email and my password and get us on our way. And then I'll hit log in. Now, once logged in, we'll select Impulse Creative. This is where you can select a portal. Also will allow HubSpot access to the information it needs. And you'll see the first time you do get a note for new business business card scanner, and it sets up your contacts. Now you'll only see that on the first initial one, but what I want to do is hit the plus on the top right and click on Scan Business Card. I'm going to give the camera access that it needs, and you're then going to see that I have this business card that I can select. Now, one thing I will let you know as far as a pro note is you're going to want to get as clean a space as you can. So notice it's not detecting it, but I move to where it's just that, and boom, we get the square that goes around it, and I can go ahead and click that button and hit done. Now it takes the information from the card and puts it into this nice, easy to use area where I can see full name, I can see job title, I can see email, I can see the mobile phone, and notice website, it says not on card because the website actually wasn't on the business card. Now, to see that, I can go ahead and look down at the business card, or at the top of the app, I can click on Show Business Card. Notice how that opens, and I can open and collapse that as I need to look at different information as I'm making sure this is filled out the proper way, or that HubSpot brought in the proper information off the card. Now when I'm ready, I can go through a 5-step process. Notice here I can pull the full name, I can click and get the job title, I can click on what is the email, I can click the mobile phone number, and then I even see where it says choose website, and I'm just going to select not on card because it wasn't on the card in this case. And what that does is it gives me an area where I can type in the website since it wasn't on the card. And then of course I can hit done, and I can hit save up in the top right. And it saves my contact. Once it's saved, you'll see that I can call, I can chat, I can email, I can add a note, everything else that you love to do with your HubSpot app. That's pretty slick. So make sure you get the app, make sure you start to collect those business cards, and maybe even think about a strategy on how to collect more of the cards, because it's easier to create them as contacts and then do your amazing sales and marketing tactics on the folks who are giving you those cards. Of course, in a human way. Hey, do you like these updates? Then make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation. Make sure you check out sprockettalk.com/audio or /video, which will take you to our podcast where you can learn on the move. And while you're on the interwebs, make sure you check out our YouTube channel and our Facebook page. Hit the subscribes, the likes, the bells, all the things so that we know that you're part of the community. Make sure you come up with a strategy how to get those business cards. And if you need help with that, then schedule one of our trainings. Links below, 1 and 2 day workshops. That's what we do. Get those cards, get that strategy, and while you're doing it, do some happy HubSpotting.